Today on Let's Talk About, we will be informing you about the First Amendment. The First Amendment includes the 5 freedoms: speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. Now we would like to introduce 2 young ladies from Fairfield High School to explain the First Amendment, also known as the 5 freedoms. Please welcome Martha and Betty. So Betty, what does the freedom of speech entail?
Actually, the freedom of speech includes 3 types: pure speech, symbolic speech, and speech plus.
Pure speech is the verbal expression of thought and opinion before an audience that has chosen to listen. Speech plus is action such as marching, demonstrating, or picketing, as well as words. Symbolic speech is using actions and symbols in place of words to express opinion.
Now Martha, what is the freedom of religion?
The second freedom that the First Amendment protects is the freedom of religion. Freedom of religion has 2 parts: Establishment Clause and Free Exercise Clause. Establishment Clause says that Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion.
The United States government cannot tell you what religion you have to be. You may believe or go to any church you would like.
Free Exercise Clause requires that Congress not prohibit the free exercise of religion.
The third freedom is the freedom of press. Can you please explain that for us, Betty?
Freedom of press is closely related to freedom of speech. Press goes further than speech by allowing opinions to be written. Press is the way people get their information. Press includes magazines, radio, TV, and newspapers because they spread news and opinions.
The fourth freedom is freedom of assembly. Can you tell us what it entails, Martha?
Freedom of assembly applies not only to meetings in private homes, but also to those in public places. Without this freedom, there would be no political parties and no interest groups to influence government actions.
The final freedom is petition. What is petition?
A petition is a written request. The process starts when an individual or group writes a proposed amendment. People in favor make it a part of a petition and get the amount of signatures needed to get the petition through.
Well, thank you so much for coming in today and explaining the First Amendment. Tomorrow on Let's Talk About, we will be rediscovering the Big Bane Theory.